we've looked at a whole lot in Excel. So yesterday we did the lookup functions, the index match, VLOOKUP functions. We saw the limitation of VLOOKUP. Then we also delved into index, matching, and if error. So the video is already on YouTube, so you can always watch and watch it then. So, all right, today we are going to do some practicals. And I said, please download Power BI for next week. If you don't have Power BI, download it from the link that I sent you. The one I have may not be the most current version. It's always updated regularly. And so next week, then please, before the end of this class, I'm going to send you guys materials on data visualization so that you can read and prepare against Saturday. About 2 or 3 materials. Okay, so straight to what we have today. Yesterday we looked at VLOOKUP, index, and matching. We looked at it, but we looked at it with examples that are not so much, I don't know, but I have a practical exercise I want us to do so that that function will consolidate, because this is one of the most advanced function that is used regularly all the time. So we have this data set, bio, income, and professional. Bio, income, and professional. Bio, income, and professional. If you look at the bio consists of ID number, first name, gender, and age. The income consisted of surname and salary. Professional consists of appraisal score and years of experience. So I want you to use the index match function. I want you to use the index match function to match this table with this table. Match it by column. If it's in Power BI, there is what we call match and there is what we call append. When you match, when you join data by column, we call it match. Or when you join data by row, we call it append. As you are going to get there in a Power Query. That's for Power BI. So I want you to use index and match to append these two guys to this. Now, if you look at bio, the IDs of these guys are arranged alphabetically. But in income, it is not like that. Please take note. In professional too, it is not like that. So how are we going to handpick the information here, and merge it to this place? So I'm going to do just one example. One example. You guys will do the rest. So this is bio, this is income, this is professional, where we'll have to create a new sheet called a consolidated table. You can call it consolidated table. But remember, yesterday we said before you start doing index, doing matching, you need to structure your table first. That's the first thing. So how do you structure your table? You say Control T. Control T. You come to table design or table name. Under table design, you come to table name and name this bio table. Call it bio table. Okay, you structure this. Then structure your income. Control T. Income table. Income table. Okay, done. Structure professional. Control T. Professional table. If you don't structure, you cannot call up the data in a new sheet. So this is the advantages of structuring. So meanwhile, let's open up a new sheet here called the consolidated data. Consolidated sheet. Oh yeah. Where we'll now join everything. Ordinarily, you know that the bio of people come before whatever other details that they have. So I'll copy this table here and paste in my consolidated sheets. I'll copy it and paste here. It still has, under table design, it's still maintaining this structure. Do we understand? All right, so I want to merge this, this, and this. But if I ask you, what does these three tables have in common? Is there something that these three tables have in common? Is there something is there a header that these three tables have in common?
ID.
Yes, ID. Very correct. So you can actually use the ID to
Mr.
match.
Kijisom, how did you create another sheet? Okay, I've seen it. I've seen it. Sorry.
The new sheets icon here, plus. Have you solved it?
Yes, how did you now rename it?
Just what do we call, right click, you see rename.
Right click on it and then you see rename. Although there are two renames there, but choose the first one, I think.
Rename. Okay.
So we are going to match we are going to match surname, salary, appraisal score, and years of experience. So I will do one, you guys will do the remaining three. Okay? So we'll say surname. What the column? Surname. So how are we going to pull in this data in this sheet and the one here into this? What function are we going to use? Guys. Yes, I'm asking you guys, what function are we going to use?
Match, we're going to use the index match.
What about VLOOKUP?
VLOOKUP is not going to work with this because we're going to match multiple I think you're going to match multiple columns together. So I don't think it's going to work. And secondly, okay, fine, there's ID here, so.
Ebuka,
Don't know.
are you serious about this? What did we say?
That?
What did we say was the limitation of VLOOKUP? The major limitation.
The limitation of VLOOKUP is VLOOKUP cannot search for. It cannot search for. Limitation. It cannot search for. What was it called again? It cannot search for anything in front of the ID number or something.
So why are you saying VLOOKUP will not work now? What we are taking is surname and salary.
No, I just looked at it again. I just looked at there's ID in all of them. So sorry about that.
So you can use VLOOKUP here. You can use VLOOKUP here. You can also use, for the purpose of this class, we want to use a more seeming difficult way, which is index and match. So we say equal to, remember yesterday we defined the index and match function. We said there are two different functions that are joined together. So index when you pull the index, remember you always have index array and index reference. Well, we take the index array. So we say index. What is our array in this case? Who can tell me? What is our array in this case? What did you say an array is yesterday?
The table you want to pull the data from.
Good. So where are we pulling the data from now?
Bio table?
Where are we
Income.
pulling? Income.
Income.
That's the income
No,
table.
income.
Yeah. So this is it. This is it. Remember, you put your square brackets and you put, what are we pulling inside income? Is it ID? Is
Surname.
it? It's surname.
Surname.
So you pull it out, close your brackets, say comma. Are we going to use these two arguments? No. We now introduce our match function. We now introduce our match function. So what is our lookup value here? What's our lookup value?
Lookup value A2.
This, right?
Yes.
Comma. What's our lookup array?
Income table.
Income table. Yes, still income. Well, what are we picking from income? ID,
Surname.
surname, salary.
Surname.
Huh? ID, surname, or salary.
Surname.
But you put surname here now. Why are you picking it
Oh,
again?
ID.
ID.
Please, you need to be careful. You
Yes.
need to be careful. So that is our lookup array. Comma. What match type are we using? 1 minus 0 minus 1 0. Which one?
0.
0.
0. Exact
Sure.
match. So you put your two brackets. Do you like this? So let's go and check if Excel made mistake. Let's go and check. If you look at the income, this is A01. This is the guy, A01. What's his surname? Akande, right? Did you see? A02. Yes, A02 here, Uche. Did you see? A03. Badmos, did you see? Even though it's not arranged alphabetically. Did you guys get the gist?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
So do the next one for me. Salary, appraisal score, and years of experience. Salary. So imagine a situation where we are giving data in different worksheets, and you are told to please get us, or we need this column and this column and this column. Yes. Do you have a question? Anybody?
I didn't get it to Mr. Chiso.
Were you yesterday's class? No.
I'm saying that I didn't get it.
What did you not get?
Can you come again? How do you
Wait now. Where did you not get me?
I don't understand this.
Hey, where do I start from now? Is it that you don't understand the formula, you don't understand index, you don't understand matching, or what we are trying to do? What don't you understand? Let me know where to start.
At first, I don't understand what you are trying to do. I also don't understand the formulas.
Did you watch yesterday's video?
Yes, but not complete. I'm not done with it.
Oh, okay. Oh, let me redo it again now.
Just, maybe you can briefly explain it.
Okay. Because for you to understand this thing very well, you need to have been with us yesterday. I don't know how you can jump in and start getting it. It's okay. And what we want to do, this data is from the bio table. But we want to have a consolidated sheet so that we can start our analysis or we can send our data for analysis. So somebody gives you a data in your organization, Excel data that is filled with plenty worksheets. But there are specific variables that they need from each worksheet. So pull up patient information, just their age and number of drugs they are taking, their age and number of drugs they are taking from different sheets. So every patient has their patient unique number or folder number. So you are giving such a data, or you said you're a data analyst, pull out this information from us. So that is a practical scenario of what we want to do. So we want to combine what is here, surname and salary, appraisal score and years of experience inside this place without coming to this table or without doing it manually. So I now ask, these three tables, what do they have in common? They must have one thing in common. We call that thing lookup value. They must have one thing in common. If it's patient ID or student reg number, it must appear in all of them so that you can use it to look up to. That's what Excel will be using to search. Do you understand this? Someone left.
Yes, I'm with you now.
Okay. So ID, Ebuka said this ID. ID is here. Also, ID is here. This one, it was not ordered the way, look at it. It's not ordered the way it's ordered like this, but it's not a problem. So I want to pull in this surname column. I want to pull it in into this thing. So I said surname. I created a column for it. So I now asked, what function are we going to use to pull in this data? Ebuka said index and match. I said it's correct. Can we use VLOOKUP? Yes, we can also use it. But if you have mastered index and matching, I can now tell you to please, you can do away with VLOOKUP because index and matching is much more advanced than it. But if it's VLOOKUP that you know, no problem. So far your data does not appear on the left, no problem, it will work. The important thing is that you should do what you're asked to do. So I said equal to, index and match are two different formulas, but we have a way we combine it. So watch me closely and see what I want to do. Test it. Index. The first index will come index array and index reference. If we are using this first one, not this second one, for the purpose of searching up our data. So this income now appears like our database that we want to search up. We say index. What is our array? What is our array?
Income.
Very good. Income. Remember you structured your table. Income, you pull it. Inside income is the table, but is it income that we are looking for? No. We are looking for, square bracket. We are looking for surname. This is what we want to pull out. Close it, close your bracket. Say comma. This will appear. You don't go on with this formula again. You now introduce your match. What is our lookup value? Test it. What is our lookup value?
A01.
Very good. A01. That thing that is common in all of them. That is our lookup value. That is what it will use to search. What is our lookup array? Test it. This lookup value, which array did it fall into? That's just what it means.
0.
Oh, no. VLOOKUP is confusing you. Well, you are taking numerical position. If it's VLOOKUP, you say 1, because it falls in the first column. What is the lookup array? It is different from this array here. This guy that you are using to look up, which array did it fall into? That is your lookup array. So you still say income, right? So is it ID, is it surname, is it salary? That's it. I said, look at the argument of match. We have done lookup value. You understood that one, Abby? Hello? That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your lookup array is what now? And this is what I want you to define. If you don't get it, this function will not work. The lookup array is where the lookup value is located. This column where the lookup value is located inside your table. Remember, it is from the income table that we are using, our database. So this we are searching from here. But we are using this guy to search. So where is this inside here? Do you now understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please,
Yes,
if you don't
sir.
understand. Okay.
Yes, sir.
No, no shame. Oh. You paid for this training. No? Okay.
For your attention.
No wahala. So this is the ID. Pick it out. Close your bracket. Say comma. What's the match type?
Zero.
Are you picking approximate match or are you picking exact match? That's it.
Oh, no, I don't know. Please, can you help me out of that?
You are picking. Please note, when you come to VLOOKUP, there are exact match and approximate match. Exact match and exact match is false. Approximate match is true. That's for VLOOKUP. But here, we have three. We have -1, we have 1 and 0. So if you put 0 here, you see, 0 is exact match. 1 is less than. -1 is greater than. That is what we call match type. So we pick 0 because 0, we are looking for the exact match of whatever it is we are searching for. Do you now understand? That's what we call match type. Hello, Tessie.
I get the explanation, sir, but I will practice more to get it.
Huh?
I get the explanation.
Okay. So 0. How many brackets do you have here? 1 and 2. So you close 2 times. And then this is what you have. Just by using, if in your workplace, just by knowing how to use this thing, people will be looking at you that you are one professional, you are very good, you are very good. I'm telling you. You see that lady with Excel, leave it for her. She's very good. Your bosses will like you. You know, a data person, a data person is indispensable. You don't throw us away like that. Is this an Abi?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Anybody with data skill, no organization will, no.
We had to create an entire position for a data analyst.
Good.
No, but
I remember the hospital where I was before. When I told them I wanted to leave. That now I researched, oh, Prof was not happy. He said, what do you want us to do? I said, I don't know. People, the way you've been doing before, I don't know. So I said, no, I can work from anywhere that I am for you people. But as for physical, no. Because I don't know if you can actually pay me. So that is it. So I want you
Mr.
to
Chisholm, touch your formula here. Let me see something.
okay.
Okay. Index. Okay.
You see your mistake.
Yes, please hold on. Comma. Okay, where did my income table go?
Bekele, are you back? Okay, she's back.
Yes, I am.
Match ID. Income table. it works now.
Okay, so you guys
Hey,
should.
it's not. I think so.
Are you not done?
No, much. Hey, hold on. Please, it's giving me error. It's saying spill. What does that mean?
It says NA, right?
No,
Is
it
it N
says spill.
speed?
Mm,
Oh yeah, share your screen. Let me see. Share your screen quickly, quickly.
yes, I'm on it. Can you see?
Oh, go to the first one. Hmm? Index, income table. Wait to equal to index. Income table, yes, comma,
Is
match.
this right?
I not trust that your IDO. Pick them again. You type it manually. What's happening?
No, I picked it. I picked it.
After that income table, comma, yes, that's your lookup array. I don't trust that your lookup array. What should be there is income table and okay,
Is there a command somewhere that I'm missing? Hmm, I don't know.
index, yes, comma, match. Hmm. The argument for match, how many is it? Is it 4 or 3? The argument for match.
It's three. How many do I have? Lookup value. Lookup value ID. Oh,
Yeah,
this is not supposed to be here. So I should take this away.
please redo. Start from match and start and redo. Let's see.
So match lookup
Uh-huh.
value. Lookup value. This one.
Yeah, comma,
Lookup comma.
comma, yes.
Lookup array. Income table. Comma. Match type.
No. Inside income. What are you looking for inside income now? Look up array is table plus the column you're looking for.
Table plus surname.
No, it can't be surname now. You put surname before, it will now be ID. The ID that is inside income. So income table, yeah, square bracket, square bracket. Why is it that your list are not appearing? Please type that inside your cell, not inside your formula bar. Type inside your cell. So the list will appear. Uh-huh. Wait now. Clean that square bracket. Type it again. Oh yeah. Excel is not pulling out your
It's
tables.
pulling. Okay, let me. It's pulling. Wait. It's pulling. You are not seeing my pop up. Hold
Uh,
on. It's pulling. Okay. Can you see it now?
better.
Mm.
So select ID. Yes. Close your brackets. Yes. Comma. 0. Double. Yeah. Enter. Ah,
So what was my mistake?
whatever you Whatever you did before, I don't know.
That means I've not understood. I never get this thing.
Have you understood it now?
I have to keep looking at it though. I can't even say what my mistake was now. I don't know.
Okay. Stop sharing. Okay. Anybody else? So someone should share and do the other columns for me quickly. Ebuka, share and do. Tessie, you will do salary. Tessie, you will do appraisal score. Then peculiar, you do years of experience. Quickly, appraisal scores. Okay, wait. Tessie, do salary because you were not here yesterday. Ebuka, do appraisal score. Then peculiar, years of experience.
I can't do anything. I cannot share my screen.
Why?
Using two different devices.
Put Zoom in your laptop now. That's all we agreed. Please. I need you to do this in practical. Year of experience. Remember, your attendance and practical in the class is important. And we are going to give you a certificate. I'm not sure if I'm not sure you learn this things, at least on my front. I need to be sure that you've at least you at least have some level of practice. So that's it. Share your screen, do salary, Ebuka appraisal score. While we are waiting for peculiar, please install Zoom. I believe your laptop has Zoom. Put the ID number and the password there.
I've already done salary.
My brother, oh yeah, do
I'm
the one
trying,
that.
I'm trying to do appraisal, but because I'm hearing
That's share your screen.
I will learn from me.
No. Share your screen and try.
I was not here yesterday. I'm just having the formulas, hoping I will practice it and then perfect them.
So you cannot at least try so that I can correct. That's what I want you to do now, so I can correct. Okay.
Let me just wait.
Okay. Ebuka,
Let me learn from you.
I've already done the salary part, so
whichever one, share.
I'm trying to do the appraisal one. That's where I am. I've already done the salary part. So.
Oh yeah, do appraiser.
And
Let's
sorry, you said just redo the salary.
Okay. Oh yeah, clean the salary part and redo it. So what you are doing, please explain what you are doing now.
I'm not a teacher like you. Explain.
I know you know it, but
so okay, so to get the salary, okay, so okay, sorry, let me start afresh again, delete. Okay, so the salary is and the income. So this is the salary. So coming to the consolidated part, so do equals to index. So for now, because we're going to call up the table, the table, the array is the table. So the table is the income table, income underscore table. Then what we're looking for is the salary. So we open the square brackets. We type in salary. This is UPS, WPS. So I can't do the shortcut of finding, but to do salary, then close the square brackets. And then again, we now introduce the match function to be able to get what we're looking for. So type out match.
Error. Put comma after salary, please.
Oh, sorry. Made a mistake. It's true. Okay, so close the square brackets, then comma, then introduce. So for match, we're going to, so because we're looking for the salary, so we're going to use the ID. So which is the ID is A2 to be able to help us get what we're looking for. Then we add comma and then introduce the name of the table, which is income table, then open a square bracket, open the square bracket again and type ID, then close the square table, then comma. So because we're looking for the exact match, we're going to introduce 0 to be able to get us the exact thing that we're looking for. So I opened the 2 brackets, 1, 2. So I have 1 already. So I'll introduce 1 more. And there you go.
God bless you. What about if the ID our manager gave us to put is not available? Or some are not correct?
So it's very easy. I can't remember this thing that I use. Just we introduce the if error function here.
Yeah.
So we do the if error. So since we have the if error, that's what we have 1, 2, 3. Then sorry.
You like this expression, no? No, hella, go ahead. Wrong ID.
Then we'll close it and then close 1 more bracket, and that is it. But because there is no error, it will not show.
Yeah. Okay. So, Tessie, did you understand now? So, explain to Tessie why you put that if error.
So for the ID error, it's in case if let's assume I don't know, maybe you can just try it out. Maybe I can just type
A wrong ID.
this one is A0. So let me just put A0, let me add another 0.
Yeah.
It will just automatically change because the ID is wrong.
Not available.
So because
exactly.
we instructed Excel to give this kind of response whenever it encounters the so it
Very
come
good.
up.
I'm
So
happy.
if I remove the 1, 0, it comes back again.
Very good. That's a data analyst. Nice one. Peculiar. So stop sharing. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
I'm not been able to download this, no network.
I will give you Zoom now. Let me send it to you. Oh yeah. Install and share. You must share.
So I'm using an iPhone, so it's very difficult to connect to my laptop.
You will share. Just download Zoom. Are you using a Mac laptop or Windows? Which one?
HP.
Hmm?
Windows. HP.
So you should have the Zoom there now. Yeah, no, well, you've won. I just wanted you to make sure that You know how the thing is. It's okay. Well, so okay, Miss Dixon, I'll do the last one. Years of experience. Hello, Miss Dixon. Do the last one. Years of experience quickly.
I'm still struggling with my appraisal value.
Why share, let's see now. Why you're struggling.
Okay.
What was that hash doing there?
I,
See,
I I named the table wrong, so I had to go back and correct it and come back. So I just came back now. Okay, this one, this one,
yes.
then sorry for the background noise. Oh,
Okay.
then enter. So yeah, then years of experience. Where can I find that? Years of experience is in professional table. Please, nobody should laugh. Oh.
Don't worry, you're not going to.
It's part of it. If it's funny,
What's
we'll
good?
laugh.
Please don't laugh. Oh. Just be normal, I beg. What have I done?
Oh my God, you are scattering your formula.
Why is that happening? I don't know what's going on.
You are pressing what you shouldn't be pressing.
Class is done. Okay, years of experience. So it's from
Oh,
professional team.
copy and paste. Nice one.
Please don't.
Okay, now you're still confused. Okay.
I'll get it eventually. Years
Okay.
of experience. Star, match, ID, professional team, ID 0. I think this is good. Let's enter. What did I do?
Now close the
Okay.
bracket for years of experience.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Close it. And then
Mm-hmm.
let's see.
Match, I had of experience. ID. No, this one. I need to correct that. Oh, alright. This one. Right. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Done.
Well done. So add dollars to that salary.
So the
Add
salary. So select. Yay. Why did
who is shouting?
what? It's me.
Oh yeah, now add now.
Why is that happening?
Expand your width, expand your column.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you said that before.
Do it again.
Okay.
So now whenever you input a data, a derived data that has a formula in Excel and the cell does not contain it, you get that hash error.
Yeah, you said that. I forgot.
So just expand.
Okay.
Very good. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Did I teach you guys how to maintain column widths? Alternate plus H plus O. If, example, someone gives you, I think we've covered everything. Remember your data cleaning function on next, clean, substitute, trim value. We've taught virtually everything we needed to look for pivot table. What else? Text and match. Okay. Let me go through our material quickly. Yes. Ask your question. Why?
Wait,
I can hear you.
I don't know if you touched the interactive dashboard yesterday.
Ah, you are not in class that day now.
I was there, but we didn't complete it.
You say you were there, but you are doing what?
We didn't complete it. I think, I don't know. Because we didn't complete it, we didn't finish it. Still didn't really work the way you expected.
Ah,
Yes.
you want us to have a class on it
I was thinking
again?
we want to do it.
Okay. There is this problem I wanted us to solve, but I have lost the data sets.
It's fine. Since you've touched it, I think I can see a way to brush it up myself.
I can't hear you. I didn't hear what you said.
I'm saying it's fine. If I will see a way to brush it up myself. Let's move on.
Okay. You know, we still have a lot to learn.
Okay.
Still have a lot to learn.
Okay, sir.
So we've done Flash, we've done data cleaning, done all this. Text to column, remove duplicates. I hope you guys still remember all these things. Okay, maybe this one is a bit advanced. Okay. I may just introduce it, power pivot. But recently, there is a higher function in Power BI called Power Query that even Excel has. So nobody uses Power Pivot again. Power Query has replaced it. There is this advanced data cleaning function now that if you're using a current version of Excel, let me show us. You can, you will have access to it. And then I hope you know that Excel does scientific data analysis. I hope you know. Not very exhaustively, but it tries. It tries. Let me show us. Go to your Excel. Come to under data here. Come to under data here. Look at your column. Look at under analysis. Do you have this? Everybody. Do you have this? Yes or no?
I'm not using Excel, so I'm not be able to tell that.
Even you, okay. You are using WPS. Why don't you want to get Excel? Sorry.
I will. That I don't know. I just keep forgetting. I don't know. Maybe because
Download,
I'm already
download
I'm
it
already.
online.
And even if I download, most times it requires for. That's why I said I'm still going to buy. I'll buy it from you. I'll buy it from you so that I get the activation key.
So,
The ones I have, not like I don't have Excel, I do, but the ones I have, once I connect to the internet, there's this, I think
exactly.
Microsoft does
We'll be asking you
it.
for activation and stuff.
But if I'm not using internet, it stays there. I can use it. But once I connect to the internet, I'm always connected to the internet. So
Miss Jason, do you have this? Peculiar, do you have this? Tessie, do you have this? So if you don't have this, let me show us how you can
No, I don't have so my own stops in this what if analysis, forecast sheet, or whatever. That's not my own stuff.
let me show us how to. Let me show us the test that you can do with this. You see, you have ANOVA, you have correlation, you have descriptive statistics, you have two sample variances, that's t-test. You have the histogram, you have random number generation. For those of us that are doing epidemiological research, sometimes you may state that you will use a random sampling, especially when you are doing a community-based study, a study that is outside the hospital. You will need to explain how you'll be able to randomly select people. randomly selected. And one of the most efficient ways of doing random selection is by using a table of random numbers. So this is part of what Excel does. You have t-tests, paired t-tests, you have independent t-tests, you have the non-parametric t-tests. I have two samples from it. So we'll call this the data analysis two pack. In short, day before yesterday, a student from what was that school again? Oh, she's in one of these Caribbean, either Cuba or Greece or Cyprus, one of these countries. She sent me her data modeling. She's in economics assignment. Maybe I have to share with you guys. And the instruction said with Excel only, do this one, do that one. Don't use, we're not allowed to use R, we're not allowed to use data, we're not allowed to use, just with Excel only. So I think they want them to become very conversant with Excel and force them to learn a lot of things there. Maybe by the end of the day, I'll share you guys. It's a very extensive assignment. So it's important to know that Excel does these things too. So if you don't have that two pack, and it is very easy, once you have your data loaded, you click on it, Excel will bring out the result. If you don't have it, please, this is the step to install it. Come to File. Click on File. Have you done that?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Come to you should have do you have options? Oh, this 365 has changed a lot of things. So look for options. Look for options. Are you here?
Yes.
Go to add-ins.
Yes.
Go to add-ins. You see, I activated this. Look for data analysis two pack. Look for it here. Bring it up. Click. Oh, this 365. It's okay.
What I'm seeing here is analysis two pack VBA.
No, not the VBA. Take the normal analysis two pack. So click on it so that it can come. Or wait. I think that should be. Yes.
What did you do?
Let me go back.
You just okay.
Let me go back. So file, options, add-ins. Look for this button here. Down. So click on it. And then select the analysis two pack.
Then say okay.
Say okay. Come under your data. Yes. Come under your data.
Yes, it's here now.
Do you have it now?
Yes.
Okay, let me share something. So after this training, you now put in your LinkedIn profile. Please, you guys are going to I wanted to have a LinkedIn session. I thought people would be plenty in this particular training track. Yes.
I don't. My phone is not showing. Click on File.
Yeah,
options. The options. You click on adding.
Then
you click on Go.
Go to add-in. Yes. Select it.
Okay.
Have you selected?
Yes, it's showing now. Thank you.
Oh. So I wanted to have a LinkedIn session with not just you people, every participant, both the other training. But I don't know, you guys are already LinkedIn people now. Ebuka, you have a LinkedIn account. Abi Tessie, you have. This you have. Clear, you have.
Yes, I have.
Not you. You're active there, right?
Yes, I am.
After the training,
So, I
when you
mean, I'm
receive your
not active.
peculiar, why now? Hello, peculiar.
No, no reason, sir. But I followed you yesterday, sir.
So when you receive your certificate from us, please, you are going to put it there and acknowledge me. Uh, please, that's what other data schools do. So when you after your training, you can put out an appreciation, blah blah blah, so that people can be able to know that you are now a data analyst. Eh? Don't fear, don't fear, don't fear. Put it there. People will rejoice with you. Paste it in your profile. Your how do they use to write it? Excel, Power BI, SQL, and specialist now. People should bring jobs. Okay. So when you've let yourself out in the public, jobs will start coming. This is one of it. Write a 2,500 word report using only Excel calculation. You are required to collect information on, okay, she's in Saudi Arabia, sorry, from focusing on the following variables: HDMI, HDI, unemployment rate, inflation rate, blah, 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 blah. You should obtain data from this variable from the source mentor. So look at the variables you are meant to obtain. So assessment one, identify and explain the shapes of distribution for this. So what are you going to do here? For those of you that are attending the research training, even if you're not, you should, what are you going to do here? For A, whenever they say shape of distribution, what do they mean?
You you check the bar chart if it's normal, I think. If the curve is normal,
Say it
I
again.
think.
You check A.
Wait, Mr.
You
Chisom, is this an exam?
My brother, yeah, so it's 70% of their coursework.
Like data analyst as an exam or just
Well, she's doing an MSc in I think econometrics, the data aspect of economics.
oh, okay, I get it.
Uh, for every offer,
Because the questions I'm seeing here, almost they are really wow.
that's what I said now. By the time you put out a certificate on your LinkedIn and say you flourish has trained you, jobs, you bring jobs now, no be so. Jobs will start coming now.
How
So
many
Hello?
as long as it's job and it's not exam, no problem.
Look
how
at
many
this man.
percent of the coursework is Mr.
Look at
Chisom?
this man. Sir?
How many percent of the coursework?
Hey, I can't hear you. You said
How many percent of the coursework?
70%, my brother.
Hey,
Oh, yeah, now. Okay, now.
hey,
Okay, now. They
All
said
this, all this.
they will contract it out.
Using Excel only, oh. Using Excel only, oh. Uh-huh. I've trained so many people. I don't even know them, but I've trained them. The University of Greenland, Glasgow, what are the East Tennessee University in the US? A lot of students, mainly Nigerian, they will always refer them to me. There's one guy in Nigeria, he's very good. So once you come up with this kind of thing, of course, I'll bill you well. Then I ask you, do you want a personal training? Many times don't worry, bring it. I'll give it to my mentees. Many of my data people I have trained. Like two of them are currently working on this. They'll be done by next week. So I don't bother my head. Once they are done, I'll go over it. They stayed with me for close to 2 years. So this is not a problem for them. If you want data, they will give it to you. If you want Excel, they give it to you. If you want which other software did we do? A little of R. So for my birthday training program, we are going to do data visualization only. But expect another course in June in R if you want to learn R. for data analysis and data modeling. I will have planning towards that by God's grace. So, being said, explain information.
So why not do Python and why arrow?
You said, why not?
Why not Python? Why arrow?
I like this question. Do you want Python? Do you,
Yes, yes. A lot of persons should go for Python.
is that, is, ah, I doubt. But is it true? You guys should give me,
Yes, a lot of people will go for Python.
okay. Oh. I felt that R has more. Okay. Why people run away from R? Now? R is a very good something. Open source. Okay, even though Python codes are easy, actually, it's more English oriented. Okay. If it's Python, talk. Voila. I'm going to bring another facilitator. It means that you guys are going to pay well. There's another facilitator I'll bring. I'll also introduce some advanced things, some data science stuff. If you guys will pay well, we'll have a very smooth training. Okay, explain information from descriptive statistics obtained from Excel. Calculate the first quartile, third quartile. In your explanation, show how the shapes of the distribution are influenced by measures of central tendency. You need to really demonstrate a deep understanding of these things. Okay. So blah, blah, blah. I want to show us one particular one. Number 3. Remember in our data training, we are doing linear regression. Draw a scatter plot, blah, blah, blah. So you can use Excel to draw a scatter plot. Briefly describe it. So you can use Excel to do linear regression. But it is easier and better and using a pure data or statistical software. Excel has this one kind. People fear Excel a lot because of the functions and the whole lot of it. So multiple linear regression analysis. You see all the marks here. Did I even say 70? 10 plus 10 is 20 plus 25. I think it's even the whole of the course. Plus 15 plus 20 plus 100 marks unfinished now. And it's answer all. So, okay. All right. I said, let me just share this. So just know that Excel does scientific data analysis. I don't know if I host a training on that, whether it will fly. Just Excel for research data analysis or whatever. Don't know whether it will fly.
It's real though, because I think there was a time in my school they were asking us to use Excel for analysis, even though we ended up using XPSS.
It will fly very well. Even in my place of work, we use just Power BI and Excel, and Power BI is mostly for visualization.
So which, Excel has a lot 1001 function. So which aspect of data do you guys use Excel for mainly? Do you do scientific data analysis, all these very deep things? Or do you just stop at, okay, go ahead.
Okay, we did, for us, we did, scientific data analysis. Then we did regression. Like, we went deep into regressions. They asked us to do regression.
Is it as a student
Fortunately,
or your place of work? Peculiar.
An MSc student, public health.
Which university, sorry?
Delta State University.
Oh, interesting. That's good. Ms. Dixon, go ahead.
fortunately for me, I'm not the one in charge of entering, analyzing, or whatever with the data. But I always like to understand what is being brought back to me. Because we have affiliations with the Ministry of Public Health and with the premier healthcare institution, these things are inevitable. I was thinking, even from last year when we got the bid to get the new data analyst position, I was of the opinion that okay, when the analyst comes, everything will be much easier and I won't have to bother myself about these things. But not lie. because I don't even know what to tell her. I don't know how to explain to her, what I'm trying to derive or whatever, or how I would like to see the data, or when I want to present it to our directors, how I would expect them to, how I can give them the best version of, you
Yeah.
have to be the one to present the data in such a way that they will come to the decisions that you are trying to lure them to come to.
Mm.
So how can I do this if I don't even know what I'm doing? So that's it. And because we work with Ministry of Public Health, and unlike in Nigeria where we have like
I am
Any issue?
so.
Yes, I'm here. I'm here. Oh, can you hear me? Oh, my network.
There's data. There's so most times my head office will send some data for us to analyze. You understand? Most times it's
mm,
very difficult. I find myself trying to maybe probably talking to my colleagues from other regions to see or know how they sorted their theirs out, and then follow the same way. So we're running away from it, but at the end of the day, and then most times at the end of every month we do our monthly performance review every month,
mm,
and that's also analyzing data. We understand market data, retailers, end users, and everything. So I do the presentation, but then the data part of it is where I have the problem. I find myself doing it manually using calculator, trying to
Calculator. Did I hear calculator?
correct. But then I decided
Ah,
to just let me
okay.
touch.
Ebuka, go ahead. I had calculator. System A.
No, I was telling you, I was telling you this in my predicament before. So like
Go
I'm into
ahead. I'm
sales.
listening to your story. It's
Yeah.
interesting.
I'm into sales. And just like you said, there's data everywhere. Data is included everywhere, no matter what it is, no matter what you do. There's always data for you to analyze, both your sales, especially
Mm,
when especially when you're not performing very well. You understand? Most times they will pull out data from other brands as well and show you their own how as in how they are performing and everything, and ask you to also analyze the data, see what they are doing that you're not doing, you understand, or see what they are doing and see how you can be able to improve your own performance and everything. And then, like I said, we do monthly performance review every month. So basically, it's also analyzing your data, your sales data, you look for where you're look for if you compare the previous month and the current month, and then you look at if you're on the growth or you're just incurring losses for the company and everything. So all this is you need to analyze. And basically you have to do all this analysis with Excel and then transfer to PowerPoint. You understand? So most times I find myself working directly with the PowerPoint and I use calculator because most times it's difficult to get all this, pull out this data from Excel. Worst case, I reach out to my colleagues and then ask them, how do we able to, do their own data analysis and everything. So I've been running away from it. And the reason I'm running away from it not because I didn't want to do it, but because of time. Because I'm always on the go. So Saturdays and Sundays are always they are less busy for me, but weekdays I'm always on the go. So there's no time. By the time I'm back in the evening time, most time I always travel. So by the time I'm back, or maybe I get to where I'm going to, I am tired, exhausted, and then you're looking forward to the next day again. So, but I decided I really have to learn it as well.
At least it's not like you have issues with statistics or mathematics now. You just didn't have time, right?
To be sincere, I don't like maths. I don't. It was also one.
Same.
I didn't want to say it. I didn't want to say it, but then it was also part of the reason I went away from that academic.
Same. Hey, Mr. Ebuka, the same. I was